The DJI RC Pro 2 and the Mavic 4 Pro open up something that I have wanted for a very long time, which is a built-in microphone on the controller, as well as full integration with the Mic Mini and the Mic 2 from DJI. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, and I've got another showcase video on the brand new Mavic 4 Pro. Now, this is one of those features that I have wanted for a long time, and I know there's a lot of people out there. I know I'm not the only one. It's a bit of a niche thing, not everyone cares for it, but we actually have a built-in microphone on the new Pro 2 controller. So that means that I can open up the controller like so, fly as I normally would, but I can actually narrate whatever it is that I'm doing. It's ideal for me. I do a lot of tutorial videos, perfect for that. And for a lot of people out there, they like to talk through their flight. Even if there's something, really cool that you captured, you could then say something. You could go, this is part of the video I really want to use. And then you'll see that little spike in audio and you'll know to edit that part because you've mentioned it. It's done a really good job from all the tests that I have done. And what I really want to show you now is how it goes with the three options that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the built-in microphone on the controller, and then I'm also going to show you the Mic Mini and the Mic 2. Very soon I'll show you the Mic 2 and the Mic Mini integration with the new controller, but let's have a look at the built-in microphone. This is one thing that I'm really curious to see how high quality this microphone is. By default, this feature is not enabled, so for the first however many videos I captured, I had no audio being recorded, which is okay for a lot of people, especially if you're in a windy area. You might not care for it, but it does a really good job of cutting out the wind. I'll show you some of the features that you can choose. So in the top right corner, press those three dots. It will take you into the safety menu. You want to come across to the camera menu, and that's where it'll be right at the top. So you just scroll down, and what we want to enable here is the app recording, and it says use mobile device, remote controller built-in mic, or external mic to record audio for aerial videos. So straight when you enable that, you do have two different options here, two different modes. So this is in the noise reduction mode. We've got pure, which is preserves only human voices suitable for noisy environments. So if there's a lot of wind, a lot of noise going on, you're down at the beach, you're at a park or something like that, pure is a really good one to go with. Or you can go with natural. So it reduces propeller noise while preserving ambient sound suitable for relatively quiet environments. So I'm going to leave it on pure for this one here, and then we'll swap across to natural. So what I'm going to do straight away, start recording, and you see that little microphone icon pop up. So we've got the little microphone just underneath the record button, and it lets me know what the audio levels are like. So I don't know if you can peak it. Can you peak it? Hello? I don't know if it'll peak it. It doesn't look like it's peaked at all. It doesn't go red. Red. No. So I'm curious to see how that goes. But typically you're going to be holding it around there. So that's pretty much where you'll have it. So that's the kind of range that you would be talking from. And I wouldn't imagine that you would be talking too loud. So let's just face the actual drone over here. So there we go. That's what you can expect from the audio quality when we've got it all connected up here. Now I'm going to change it into the other mode. So we just tap there and we go across to natural. And now this is the natural mode. So this is what you can expect from natural. The previous one was pure. So let me know if you notice any difference there. You can enable these features. You can play around with them even if you're using the other mic systems. But again, this is just with the built-in microphone on the controller. What does the audio sound like? Are you happy with it? Can I peak it? Can I peak the audio? Do-do-do-do-do. Hello. Where is the mic located? I think it's on the base. That's what you can expect from the built-in microphone on the RC Pro 2. Are you interested in the Mavic 4 Pro or maybe some other variation, whether that's the Mic Mini, the Mic 2, the controller, whatever it may be? Then make sure to check my links down in the description below. I will have a bunch of savings for all of my viewers. If you're based in Australia, I have some phenomenal savings for you. I've actually helped Aussies save over $70,000. So reach out to sales@d1store.com.au, mention DansTube, and they will help you out with the best deals they possibly can. You can also use the code DansTube on their website to save on most drones, cameras, and accessories. And don't worry, international viewers, I will also have some links down below to help you out. So check them all out. They'll be down below. Now I do already have 2 of the Mic 2s connected. So one Mic 2 right now is connected up to the Pocket 3, and that's where you're hearing that audio from. The other one's for the connection up to the controller. So all you have to do is you put on the USB-C connection on the base there, which is that guy there, and you just plug it in to the base of the controller like so, power it on, and then power on the microphone. If I go into the settings again, you can see that I have the 2 options still. I've got natural and pure. So we'll just leave it on natural and we'll start recording now. So this is, again, coming directly from the Mic 2. I would love to jump between the audio on the Pocket 3, which you will hear right now. This is from the Pocket 3. And then this is from the RC Pro 2 controller connected up to the Mic 2. Do you notice any big difference, or do they sound quite similar? They should sound quite similar, but because we've got some noise reduction on here, it might actually change how they sound. And so now we're going to swap over to the pure mode. So we were on natural. This is now the pure mode from the Mic 2, and this is what it sounds like. So pure mode, Mic 2, we've got it all connected up with the controller here. And hopefully it shouldn't be drastically different because we are in such a quiet environment. It's raining a bit outside, but overall it's pretty quiet right now. So there shouldn't be a major difference, but I will be curious to see what the difference is like, right? Because we're trying all sorts of mic systems and we're seeing what the difference is between the noise reduction as well. So keep in mind, this is the Mic 2. We've tried pure and we've tried natural now. And you can see it's really easy to go between the 2. Let's see how the Mic Mini performs. With the Mic Mini now, all I have to do is unplug the previous guy, which was for the Mic 2, and I'm gonna get out the Mic Mini now, right? So here's the little Mic Mini. Absolutely love this little unit. And we're gonna have to use the receiver here. Again, you need to use that USB-C component there to connect it up. But that is the Mic Mini receiver. So all you have to do is plug it into the base. Oh, I've just rotated the camera. There we go. And then you just have to sync it up to the Mic Mini, and that one's ready to go. Again, really quick to swap between the different systems. So I've now got the Mic Mini set up with the brand new controller, and I've got 3 microphones on me now, which is a bit too much. But we're testing out the Mic Mini now through the controller interface to see if this sounds clean as well. So it's connected and it's synced and it's ready to go. So all we have to do is make sure we're in the right mode. So this time we're gonna start off with pure, and then we're gonna go to natural. So straight when I start recording, this is now from the Mic Mini. So we are in pure, and this is directly from the Mic Mini. It's very hard to peak the microphones, I've noticed, but it's a nice, simple little setup. This one actually is nicely tucked underneath the controller, really easy to set up, and the Mic Mini is so small, it's an easy microphone to hide somewhere. So this is a great setup, and the Mic Mini is a great price point to sync up with this system here. So that's what we're getting from the Mic Mini. Now let's go across to natural and see if we notice any difference. We're gonna go over to natural now and see what the difference is. So we're swapping straight to natural. And now this is being recorded again from the Mic Mini, connected up with the RC Pro 2. We're now in natural, so I really am curious to see what the difference is. We are in quite a quiet environment, so it might be quite hard to hear the differences straight away, but perfect to test out and about, right? Like the fact that you've got the option to go with a quieter environment or a noisy environment, depending on where you are, is phenomenal. And again, really simple to swap between the inbuilt controller, like the microphone that's inbuilt to the controller, the Mic 2 and the Mic Mini. Really easy to go across from one system to the next, and audio is going to sound great. This makes it so much easier for tutorial videos, and there are a lot of people out there that do that kind of stuff online. So this is going to save people a lot of time, and it's just such an easy setup and sounds great. So there you have it. We tested out all 3 configurations: the built-in microphone on the controller, the Mic Mini, and the DJI Mic 2, and we've tested out natural and pure on all 3 configurations. So let me know in the comments below, did you notice a difference? Is there one that you prefer over the other? What setup do you have, or what setup do you want to get? Let me know in the comments below. Let's start a discussion. I'm really impressed with this feature, and this is something that I have wanted for a very long time. So I'm extremely happy that they've done that, and they've brought an inbuilt microphone into the controller. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll chat to you in the next one. Peace.